MoonKidz Phonics Phase 2 Blending Set 1. Let's start blending. Repeat the letter sounds with me and blend them to read the word. P, a, t, pat. S, a, t, sat. S, a, p, sap. T, a, p, tap. A, t, at. A, s, as. A. Now it's your turn to blend. Repeat the letter sounds and blend them to read the word. Thanks for watching MoonKidz. Like and subscribe for more.